Have you ever wondered if you can cut your monthly expenses without sacrificing the things you love? In today's video, we'll show you how to save money while still living well. Keep watching to learn practical tips you can start using today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Understanding the basics. Cutting your monthly expenses is all about making smarter choices without giving up your quality of life. It's about finding the balance between living comfortably and living within your means. What does cutting expenses really mean? When we talk about cutting expenses, we're not suggesting you go without. It's about identifying areas where you can spend less while still enjoying the things that matter most. For example, maybe you could downgrade your cable package or switch to a cheaper gym membership without sacrificing your entertainment or health goals. Why is this relevant? In today's world, inflation, rising, costs of living, and unexpected expenses can put a strain on your budget. According to recent research, the average American household spends nearly $60,000 per year, with many households overspending on non-essential items. By cutting down on monthly expenses, you free up more money to save, invest, or simply have more flexibility in your spending. Breaking down key concepts. Fixed versus variable expenses. Fixed expenses are the ones that stay the same every month, like rent or mortgage, while variable expenses fluctuate, such as groceries or entertainment. Needs versus wants. Needs are essential for survival, like food and shelter, whereas wants are additional comforts, like dining out or luxury items. Understanding this difference is key to reducing unnecessary spending. Real-life example. Imagine you're spending $300 a month on a subscription service you rarely use. Cutting that expense without losing anything important frees up money that can be invested elsewhere or saved for an emergency fund. Common myths and misconceptions. Myth number 1. Cutting expenses means living without luxuries. This is one of the most common misconceptions. You don't have to completely sacrifice things you enjoy. Just be smarter about how you spend. For example, swapping your daily coffee from a coffee shop to a homemade brew can save you hundreds of dollars a year without giving up your love for coffee. Myth number 2. Cutting expenses is time-consuming and complicated. It's true that some areas of your budget, like negotiating bills, can take time, but many of the most effective ways to cut costs are simple and don't take much effort. A good example is reviewing your subscriptions once a month. Many people don't even realize they're paying for services they don't use anymore. Myth number 3. You can't cut expenses without affecting your lifestyle. You don't have to live like a minimalist to save money. Cutting expenses is about making small changes that add up. This could be as simple as meal prepping, looking for discounts, or taking advantage of free events in your community. Debunking these myths. By being proactive and mindful, you can maintain your lifestyle while saving money. Cutting unnecessary expenses doesn't mean a life of deprivation. It's about being strategic with your finances and aligning your spending with your goals. How to apply this knowledge. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into practical tips to help you cut expenses without sacrificing quality of life. 1. Track your spending. The first step is to know where your money is going. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, to categorize and track your spending. This will give you insight into areas where you can cut back. 2. Reevaluate subscriptions. Do you have any subscriptions you're not using? Services like Netflix, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions can add up quickly. Take a look at all your subscriptions and ask yourself, do I use this regularly? If not, cancel it. 3. Shop smarter. Look for deals, buy in bulk, and consider generic brands. For instance, switching from brand name groceries to store brand options can save you up to 30%. Also, shopping at discount stores or using coupon apps can make a significant difference in your monthly expenses. 4. Reduce energy consumption. Small changes like turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, or adjusting your thermostat can lower your energy bills. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, You can save up to 10% a year on energy costs by simply adjusting your thermostat by 7 to 10 degree Celsius for 8 hours a day. Case study example. Sarah, a 32-year-old professional, was spending $200 a month on dining out. By meal prepping and using food delivery services with bulk discounts, she reduced that expense to just $50 a month, saving $150. That extra money went into a retirement fund, which allowed her to build a more secure future. If these tips are useful, hit that like button to help others discover them too. Advanced tips and strategies. For those of you who are ready to take your financial management to the next level, here are some advanced strategies to help you cut costs even further. 1. Automate your savings and bills. One way to prevent overspending is by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you get paid. This way, you treat your savings like a bill that must be paid, ensuring you don't overspend before putting money aside. 2. Refinancing debt. If you have high-interest debt, like credit card balances or student loans, refinancing or consolidating them could reduce your monthly payments. Lowering the interest rate can save you hundreds or even thousands over time. 3. Use the 30-day rule for major purchases. Whenever you feel the urge to make a big purchase, implement the 30-day rule. This means waiting 30 days before buying the item. Often the urge will pass, and you'll realize you didn't need it as much as you thought. 4. Invest in quality over quantity. Sometimes buying fewer, higher quality items will save you more in the long run. For example, investing in durable shoes or furniture can save you money on replacements. Expert tip. According to financial advisor John Doe, spending less is a great start, but it's your investment strategy that will truly build wealth. Once you cut unnecessary expenses, think about how to make that extra money work for you. To wrap up, cutting your monthly expenses without sacrificing quality of life is possible with the right mindset and strategies. Start by tracking your spending, eliminating unnecessary subscriptions, and shopping smarter. Don't believe the myths that say saving means depriving yourself. Instead, it's about being strategic with your finances. Key takeaways. Track your spending to identify areas for improvement. Reevaluate subscriptions and find smarter ways to shop. Invest in energy-saving measures and reduce wasteful spending. Automate savings and consider refinancing to lower debt payments. By applying these tips, you'll be able to save money while still enjoying life's pleasures. And remember, these small changes can have a significant impact on your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and tricks. See you in the next one.